Hello, my friend. Today I'm gonna be taking you along with me to Dollar Tree so we can check out what do they have new for January going into February of 2024. And I have to tell you, I found some amazing stuff. So get comfortable and relax while I go through what's the newest and hottest items that you can look out for. And I decided to try out a different Dollar Tree than I usually go to, just to give something else a try, another store, and see if they have anything different. And I'm glad that I went to it because this Dollar Tree, you guys, was literally so nice. It was really spacious and big and well organized. You guys know that it's hard to find a well organized Dollar Tree. I'm not sure where you live if you have the same trouble, but I know around where I live, it's always just a mess. So starting off, I have here just a plain old basket because I usually can't find ones that are, this simple and black. They usually have the plastic ones, so I picked that up along with these wooden planks that you can use for crafting. They come in a pack of 6, and I always like to get these because you can do a lot of small DIYs with this or even bigger DIYs, and they are pretty sturdy and thick. Next up, I have this puzzle frame, and I thought this was super cute, and I think this is a new item. I've never seen this at Dollar Tree, and I think it's really nice. You can hang it either way, as you can see there. I think it's really nice for a kid's room if you have kids or grandkids. And here is the aisle that I found it in. They have a whole section for farmhouse decor, and this is new as well because I've never seen any of these signs, and they are just showing off and going all out with their farmhouse signs. And they look really nice and high end, really don't need to be DIY'd. They look really good as they are. Over here they have some vases and some frames, so right up there is where I found the puzzle piece. And how cute would it be to get a couple of them and maybe attach them together? I didn't think about that until I got home, so I would have to pick up maybe 1 or 2 more. I think that would be super cute. So then next up, I have this little decal stickers because you guys know I love to use these for DIYs. And I think whenever I see ones that I know that I'll use, I would pick it up. And I have not seen this one before. It says gathering home with the love on the back. I'm sorry for the loud truck that is in the background, but those are also great for if you don't have a Cricut. Now you guys, look at the next item that I found. These beautiful arched windows that you can hang, and you can see me in the reflection there. But I absolutely loved these mirrors. I thought they were super gorgeous, so I picked up 2 so I can have a pair so when I hang them up. And of course, if you didn't like the white, you can just remove the mirror from the back and give it a nice spray paint of whatever color you would like. I did see them only in white. I'm not sure if they do come in other colors, but I do love those. And now I have just this but first coffee little calendar for your desk because I love coffee and I am a big coffee lover, and I thought that it was super cute and just minimal for your desk. They did have a couple different varieties of different coffee sayings, and here is just a complete random items that I have, just some nautical rope and paintbrushes, just the main basic essentials for when I am crafting. Next, I picked up this wood sign. I really love this one with the panels and the beaded hanger. I think it is really nice and high quality. It's really thick and sturdy. I'm gonna show you here all of their woods that they have out right now, wood pieces for crafting. You can see they have some houses and just a ton of different signs, boxes, you name it. What stuck out to me were these pieces here. I've never seen these at Dollar Tree, and I love the pattern that it has on it with the neutral colors. And here in the back, if you can see really well, they have black and white, and I think those are really nice as well. But I picked up these because I really liked how they looked, and so I am going to do a DIY with this. I'm just going to first figure out what I want to do, but you can put them together to make one big sign or just work with them one by one. But I really did like those. And once again, they are really nice and thick and high quality, so that I love. Next up, I'm going to show you the florals that I picked up for today. They all go nicely together, and that is for a reason, because I am going to do a DIY. And it is, I can't say too much about it yet because it's going to be a nice idea for an upcoming video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But I picked up some of these lamb's ears because this is actually difficult to find in Dollar Tree, and when I do find it, I pick them up because they usually never have them or they sell out. So I got those, and then I also got another stem of greenery, which is the eucalyptus stem, because you guys know I love the minimal DIYs and decor, so I love to incorporate this type of, you know, floral stem whenever I'm doing farmhouse or something like that. And then I also picked up 2 shades of mums. You can see here they're slightly different in the colors, but I love how they tie it together really nice. And I'm not sure why I did that. I guess they resembled pom-poms or something. But anyway, I also got these yellow roses. Again, just because I was picking out stuff that I thought looked nice for the entire bouquet. And along with these blooming branches is what they were called on the sticker. And I thought they were all really beautiful together, so make sure you stay tuned for the video that I am going to be coming out with. Now, next up, you guys, are you ready for how cute these plushies are? When I seen these plushies, I knew I had to grab them. And the reason why I grabbed them as well, which will give me an excuse, is for my daughter for Valentine's Day. So there's this coffee and donuts little set. So it's like we go together like coffee and donuts or peanut butter and jelly, and I thought that this was just super adorable and I had to pick them up. I'm gonna show you here, they did have different sets as well, and you guys, they already have Easter stuff out. It's like they can't decide whether to put Valentine's Day, Easter, or you know, whatever, but they have Easter stuff coming out, and here are a couple of the stuff that they have out so far. And you can see they have stuff for crafting. Then you come down to this side and it's the Valentine's Day stuff, and they have a whole bunch of stuff for crafting as well, maybe kids paints and little wood cutouts and all of that good stuff. And then I kept walking on down to the next aisle, and this is where I found the plushies sets. And then this also stood out to me because I've never seen this at Dollar Tree, and I thought would make a really nice gift. They have a little teddy bear with roses you can place down in a gift bag maybe, and they also have the one here with the heart. I think these are super cute to give to somebody for Valentine's Day. And going along, you can see they have a whole bunch of little gift sets like makeup sponges, body oils, body mist, bath bombs, lotions, literally you name it. They even have loofahs. And these are the plushies. You can see here the one that I grabbed, along with this bacon and egg one, which is super cute as well. And then they have a burger and fries, and this is just too adorable. You guys would have to go now if you would like to get these for a gift for someone, because I'm pretty sure they will sell out. And I'm not sure if you can tell already how organized the Dollar Tree was, but I love that. And so next up, I picked up these 2 packs of candles. This was in their Valentine's Day section, and I love them because they have this spiral look to it, and I think they look really nice and high end. They're not like their normal, you know, just straight ones which you usually see, but these are really nice, and I thought they would look really cute on a Valentine's Day table setting, so I picked up red and white. And now we have this little gift box, which looks like a gift bag, but it's a reusable one and looks really nice, and it's sturdy, so you can always reuse it and save it. And I really like it. I picked up this one that has blue in the inside and on the sides, so that way when I gift it, it's too it looks more manlier with the blue inside. But they did have a lot of them that you can choose from. So moving along to the next aisle of their Valentine's Day stuff, and once again, just look at how clean and organized this is. It is like a blessing and a dream come true. But they have a whole bunch of different signs and bags, gift bags, and a whole bunch of goodies and treats. If you do have kids or grandkids that like to give out Valentine's Day cards and candies for their class, I think this is the perfect spot to come to get it. This stuck out to me because I love coffee, but these are espresso beans, chocolate covered. They have milk chocolate and dark chocolate, and they look pretty good. I think that is a nice gift to give to, maybe a teacher or something like that. And yeah, they have a whole bunch of different treats that are really good for the price. So I do suggest you to head there now, because it's better when you go early rather than wait till last minute when they sell out and barely have anything on the shelf. As you can see here, they are well stocked. So my friend, the last thing that I wanted to show you is this beautiful and adorable bear jar. I grabbed it in red because I really liked the color. You can open it up here, and this will make a great gift too. Maybe place down some flowers inside, or just whatever you want to place down inside to gift to someone. I'm gonna post a picture here. You can see they did have some pink ones as well at the top, and I love them. I think they are super adorable, and I had to pick one up. So there it is, and that was all of the stuff for today. Here is some more of the stuff that you can see here that they have for Easter. This is the $5 section, but they do have out a ton of different nice home decor, like this bunny. This one is really cute. It's like flocked with the feels like velvet material. And then they have that basket, Easter egg basket right here. And they also have these really cute peep pillows. Those are super adorable, maybe to place down in an Easter basket or give as a Easter gift. I love all of this stuff. But thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video and checking out what they have new. And let me know if you would like to see more videos like this where I show you the newest and latest items at Dollar Tree, or if you would like to see them from a different store, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all on the next one. Take care. God bless. Bye.